Affiliate links scattered across video descriptions earn pennies. A funnel earns dollars from the same traffic. The difference? A funnel captures the audience as an asset you own, then monetizes them again and again. The core funnel architecture. 5 components. In order: lead magnet. Free thing of real value in exchange for email. Opt-in page. Simple landing page where they enter their email. Thank you. Bridge page. Delivers the lead magnet. And introduces an offer. Email sequence. Automated 5 14-day nurture sequence with embedded offers. Sales page or product, where the conversion happens. Designing a lead magnet. The best lead magnets share 4 traits. Specific. 5 Google Ads templates that cut CPA by 40%. Beats free marketing guide. Fast to consume. Under 10 minutes to use. Not a 50-page ebook. Immediate result. They get value within minutes. Naturally points to your offer. Solves part of the problem your paid product solves. High-converting lead magnet types for AI influencers. Templates. Swipe files. Checklists. Cheat sheets. One-pagers. Free tools or calculators. Mini-courses. 3 to 5 short videos. Prompt libraries, especially in AI niches. Example. Fitness niche. Lead magnet. Free protein calculator. Plus 7-day meal plan PDF. Specific. Fast. Calculator is 30 seconds. Immediate. Results in hand. Points to a paid coaching program later in the email sequence. The opt-in page 1 page. 3 elements. Headline. Clear promise of what they get and why it matters. Email field plus button. That's the only action allowed on this page. Image of the lead magnet. Gives the offer visual weight. Warning. Do not put navigation menus, social links, or other distractions on the opt-in page. Every element that isn't enter email and click is reducing your conversion rate. Industry average for clean opt-in pages, 25–40%. Cluttered pages, 5–10%. Thank you seller bridge page. This is where most beginners leave money on the table. After the email is captured, the next page should confirm the lead magnet is in their email. Offer 1 relevant Tripwire product, $747. Or affiliate offer. Show a video of your avatar explaining why the offer matters. Conversion rate on a well-built bridge, 3–8%. On 1,000 opt-ins per month, that's 30 to 80 immediate sales, funding the rest of the operation. The email sequence. The 7-email starter sequence, sent over 14 days. Day 0. Deliver the lead magnet plus welcome. Day 1. Backstory. Why your avatar exists, what problem you solve. Day 3. Value email. Teach 1 specific tactic, no offer. Day 5. Soft pitch. Introduce your main offer with a benefit-led story. Day 7. Case study or social proof. Day 10. Direct offer with deadline. Scarcity. Day 14. Last call email, plus transition into ongoing newsletter. After day 14, subscribers move to a weekly newsletter that mixes value with periodic offers. Lifetime value of a single email subscriber in most niches, $5 or $50 over 12 months. Tools for building the funnel: email service, ConvertKit, NowKit, GetResponse, Aweber, Beehive landing page. Builder. Most email tools include landing pages. Standalone options. Card, $19 year for unlimited. Lead pages, ClickFunnels. Hosting. If you have a WordPress site, the Microsoft LMS plugin can host both lead magnet delivery and sales pages directly. Pro tip: don't overspend on funnel software in month 1. Beehive, free up to 2,500 subscribers, plus Card, $19 year, handles your first $5,000 in revenue without a single recurring software bill. Automated follow-up. The whole point of the funnel. You set it up once, and it runs forever. Once a subscriber enters, they receive the entire 14-day sequence automatically. You add new content to the weekly broadcast schedule, but don't touch the onboarding sequence again. Action step. Build the simplest version of your funnel this week. Create 1 lead magnet, PDF or simple tool. Set up an email service account. Build a 1-page opt-in page. Write the first 3 emails of your sequence. You can refine and extend later. The first version just needs to exist.